Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to browse Incognito with the BrowseHere app on Android TV. So let's get into it. This is the BrowseHere app and I'm going to get in. It's simple and it's straight to the point. I'll ignore that for now. I'm actually enjoying the browser, but I want to get this done. I want to show you how to use Incognito. So you see this app right here at the top right of the screen. This is one you want. This ninja mode. So if you click on it, you see your privacy is important to us. When using ninja mode, rest assured that your browsing history, cookies, site data, as well as any information centered in forms will not be saved. So this ensures that the other users of this device cannot view your activity. Now you have to be aware that your online access may still be visible to the websites you visit, even your organizations and your internet service providers. So be cautious of that. I know that while your browsing remain private, any bookmarks you create will actually be saved. So in information mode, you don't need to save, or else it will be saved. So I've turned on ninja mode. This is the incognito function of this browser. So when on ninja mode, you see the display changes. I actually like this preset. A very dark background, very clean colors, and it is vibrant and all that. You could see top episodes, you could see top shows. Any browsing you do here remains confidential, and you could just explore the browser that we have discussed already and enjoy it. So that's how to use the ninja mode. This is the incognito function of the BrowseHere app. If you found that insightful, if you did not know that it was ninja mode and you found out now, hit the like button. We're providing a lot of value. If you're finding it valuable, subscribe to the channel so you continue receiving such value from us. And I'll see you in the next video, for sure.